Recently, the skies over the Pacific trembled and a new beast was born. Everyone witnessed China's ambitious leap forward, launching the world's first 6th-generation stealth fighter jet on its maiden test flight. This is not just a showcase of technological prowess, it's a declaration that the Asian Dragon is ready to challenge any power in the skies and shift the balance of power. However, scrolling through social media, you can see that videos of this aircraft are inconsistent. At least 3 different aircraft have been claimed to be 6th-generation fighter by the B type, J36 and J50. So far, the Chinese government has not officially confirmed any details about the aircraft. Most of the specifications and designs circulating online are likely fake news. However, there are clues we can analyze. Let's take a broader look at all 3 aircraft by the B type, J36 and J50. Each had distinct features and has appeared in video footage, but only one of them has caught a true sensation, recorded in flight with a 3-engine configuration, breaking the sound barrier repeatedly and reportedly reaching speeds beyond Mach 2.5. That aircraft is the J36, not by the or J50, but does that alone qualify it as a 6th-generation fighter? To be considered a true next-generation aircraft, it must meet 7 key criteria. Number 1. Extreme stealth. Number 2. AI and loyal wingmen. Number 3. Hypersonic speed and next-gen engine. Number 4. Mutual dominant operation. Number 5. Next-gen weapons. Number 6. Sensor fusion and data sharing. And finally, shell repair and smart maintenance. So which one do you think is China's true 6th-generation fighter? Leave a comment below. See you next time!